Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? I know it's probably been a little while since I've updated the channel as far as like what's going on with Regina, Snow White. Things are, a bit of a slow, from you saw in the last video, I told you guys, I went on vacation for my birthday. Went down to Jamaica, had an awesome time with my wife. Very relaxing, but it did set me back. It set us back a little bit with money wise. We really didn't set us back, it just, set me back. Because I didn't have any vacation time, so I didn't get paid for the days I wasn't at work. But even with that said, my wife is awesome. I just wanted to say that my wife is freaking awesome. She ordered me some birthday presents, and you guys already saw what the first one was. That was my shift knob, and then the second one was, what was the second one? Was the blow-off valve and manual boost controller. Now she did go ahead and order me some other things. She was awesome enough to go ahead and order me my 3-inch test pipe for my exhaust. Right now I just have the catalytic converter that's it's just the cat and the stock exhaust. But with that said, I will be getting an exhaust hopefully in the near future, but first things first, and that's to get the car back on the road, be able to drive it. But with that being said, my wife went ahead and ordered me the electric fans for the car. Now those should be coming in probably next week sometime, and then I'll get those in the car. But to get the fans working, I gotta order a manual. I gotta order what is it called? I gotta order the electric fan controllers. So that's going to be ordered soon. I'm going to go ahead and order front brake pads for the front because I have none. There's brake pads. Well, it's more like the pads are gone. The pad material is gone. But so yeah, got to replace that. And then still got to get a rear window and the front seats. And but yeah, things are coming along slowly but surely. They are coming along, and I can't wait to drive this thing, actually drive this thing. Alright guys, like I said, I am back. The next things that my wife ordered me, being the awesome wife that she is, she ordered me, like I said, she ordered me that test pipe, and she also ordered me the engine fans. Well, test pipe already came in, engine fans came in today. Freaking excited about it. But without further ado, here are the engine fans. Well, apparently this is the brand Maxon. This is the link from the link that I sent her. It's 2 10-inches. Got your mounting hardware. More mounting hardware. And the 10-inch fin itself. So, like I said, I don't think these are thin enough to fit in the front. If they are, it's going to be a very tight fit. Actually, I might be able to fit one in the front. Actually, no. Not even going to do that. Not even going to consider it. I'm just going to fit them right down in there and make everything work. So with that said, I gotta take the front bumper back off, take the intercooler back off, and get the fans in. So with that said, let's get that front bumper off.
Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
now that I got the front bumper off, I can start working on getting the intercooler back out. First off is to disconnect the 2 couplers down there, and then take off this top bolt and then the 2 bolts on the bottom that hold the bottom. Then I can drop the intercooler out the way and then start mocking up these fans. So with that said, let's get into mocking everything up, or taking off that stuff. So yeah.
Don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold.
Alright, intercooler out. This is what I'm working with right here. So guys, I know it's kind of dark. I mean, I got the new lights in here and everything, but it's still, I don't have multiple lights in here aside from the new LED efficient bulbs that I have up there. And then they actually show up weird on camera. It's crazy. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, I figured out that I can just slide this over. I put it in through on this side, and then I'm just going to roll it on over there. And then what I'll do is I'll push this up as high as I can, come on, up there, and then put the other one in over there. So now it just comes time to using those little mounting things. Whew, it is hot. It is hot in here. Again, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get these things mounted up, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I had to take out that center bracket that goes from, you know, the hood latch down to the core support on the bottom, just to be able to get the second radiator fan in. They're kind of just mocked there right now. They're kind of sitting against each other, and they're not really going anywhere, but I am going to go ahead and get the mounting hardware that's sitting over there. It's blurry. And get it installed. But first I am going to run over to Super H Mart and get some vegetable pot stickers. So until I come back, guys. Alright guys, I am back. Got everything kind of buttoned back up. These are mounted in, the 2 fans are mounted in there. They're not centered perfectly, but that's mainly because of this AC line down here that kind of runs, you know, there's this, you know, mounting bracket and everything for the AC line. To kind of keep it in place is in the way for me mounting the center, so they kind of shifted over to the passenger side of the car. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the intercooler back in and go ahead and put the front all back together. So with that said, let's get to it. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and leave this off the bumper, so that way I have plenty of room to get these fans wired up once I get the electric fan controller. Well, with that being said, guys, that is it for this video. Until next time, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because it goes a long freaking way. Peace out and never look back.